So the next step of layer by layer is OLL, or orientating the last layer, and it looks like this. So when orientating the last layer, or solving the yellow side in my case, the first mini step to this is solving the edges, so making a cross on the yellow side, and there's actually 3 different cases you can get for this. Now in this first case we have an L looking shape, like a backwards L, and you can do the same algorithm to solve all of these cases. And since I didn't make the cross shape, you can just do it one more time. Now your next case, you can get a line, and the only thing you need to do is do that algorithm once. The last case you can get is where no edges are solved on the top. And now you can just do this algorithm a total of 3 times. So you can do it once. You'll get your backwards L. Make sure you have it up in the corner like this. And just do the algorithm 2 more times. Keep in mind when you get this case where it's just a line, make sure you hold that line horizontally, or it will not work. When orienting last layer's corners, there's 7 cases to where the corners can be flipped, but they can all be solved with one 4-move algorithm that we saw before. So what you want to do is find an unsolved or unorientated corner. So in my example, I got 3 unsolved ones, or unorientated, and use your right slot, like your right hand slot, and you want to put one right here. And that sequence we used earlier to solve the corners, you can actually use to solve corners on top as well. And just repeat it until it is solved. Now when you do that, it might look like you messed up your second layer and your first layer, but if you continue without rotating, just using the upper moves, moving the top layer, what you can do is continue, and if you've done it correctly, it'll actually repair your middle layer.